Many people would like to be able to save more for retirement and reduce their current income taxes, but are unable to because of the limitations of a traditional 401k plan. I'm Beth Kraszewski, a certified financial planner professional and executive VP at Keating & Associates. Are you a high-income earner who would like to be able to save more for retirement as well as reduce your current income taxes? If you are a business owner or are self-employed and are maxing out your traditional 401k contribution, you may want to consider a defined benefit plan. It could reduce your current tax liability as well as allow you to save much larger amounts for retirement. A defined benefit plan promises a certain benefit and allows you to receive a current income tax deduction for the contribution. The formula that is used to calculate the contribution usually allows for higher earners to contribute much more on a pre-tax basis to a defined benefit plan as compared to a traditional 401k plan. For example, the maximum that you can contribute to a traditional 401k plan is $17,500, and that could be saving you some taxes currently. But if you add a defined benefit plan in conjunction with your 401k, you could potentially reduce your taxes even more. Plus, it's a great perk to keep your valued employees. If you're a business owner and would like to see how much you can save in taxes while saving more for retirement, let's talk. Send me an email or give me a call.